Welcome back to the Extra Medium channel. In this episode, I'm going to take advice from a fellow Ducati owner, Keanu Reeves.
Eat a great breakfast, go for a motorcycle ride, come back.
Change your timing belts. That's right, in this episode I'm going to be changing the timing belts on my Ducati 748S. Now, the first part of this process is getting the fairings off and the battery box out of the way. After that, it's pretty straightforward. It's not really that difficult, you just have to pay attention to where the timing marks are. Once you get the engine timed on the left side of the bike, you can come and take off the covers on the right side. Had a lot of help this time, so the process was pretty smooth. Getting the bolts out requires taking the airbox off and the tank off, which kind of stinks, but it's all good. Now here's some more carbon fiber parts. I would have made these myself, but they were so inexpensive on eBay that I just went ahead and treated myself a little bit. And my mom approves. Here's the stock, here's the carbons. So now I can line up the timing marks here and there. Pull this belt on. So if the belt's on and tensioned properly, now I can get to the fun part and install this new carbon fiber kit for the belt covers. Excellent. Carbon fiber front, middle, and vertical. Very happy with this. We're taking these fuses off. I was trying to undo these Allen heads. Didn't realize it just popped right out of these little grommets, which is a good design, and I didn't think about that, so I was wasting a lot of energy on that, but got it out, so it's good. That would have sucked if I forgot that thing and started it up, blasting oil out there. See if I can remember how this goes on. First I want to get this. First I want to get the electrical plugs in there. So first start after timing belts on fuel pump. Ooh. Awesome. It starts, it didn't blow up. We did a good job. See you next time on Extra Medium.